A circle in the xy plane has the equation x minus 13 whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals 64. Which of the following gives the center of the circle and its radius? So the equation of a circle in the xy plane is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals r squared, where h and k are the coordinates of the center of the circle, and r is the radius. So in this equation, we can look at h and k to find the center, and the value of r to find the radius. So in this equation here, we have a negative 13 and a negative k. So that means the coordinates of the center of the circle are 13 and k. Because in the equation, there's already a negative sign here, so the value of h is just 13, and the value of k is k in this case. In this case, they just didn't put a number here, they just put a variable for k. And then to find the radius, we see over here we have a 64. So that means 64 equals r squared, because in the equation for a circle, the right-hand side is a constant that's squared. So the 64 is the result of after we square r. But we want to find the original value of r. So we can set them equal to each other and then take the square root of both sides. So the square root of 64 is 8, and the square root of r squared is r. So that means r equals 8, which means the radius of the circle is 8, and the center is at 13k. And answer choice A says the same thing. The center is at 13k, and the radius is 8.